Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a while since I've posted a long video, but it has been chaotic busy in Charmology. We are almost at the urge of giving up, but we are not because we are running high on caffeine and it has been crazy busy, and I had the first espresso of my life to cope up with the craziness, and guess what, I couldn't sleep for almost 24 hours after that espresso shot. But let's see what's happening behind the scenes at Charmology. It's a Monday today, and we haven't sent any courier since last 2 days because there was crazy rain on Saturday, and Sunday is a courier day off. So now we are catching up with the orders and packing for all of them. So these are the orders we are targeting to be packed by midday, and these are the orders which will get packed by the evening. And here the actual packaging is happening behind this table, where we are already packing the orders which are complete, and Anuradha is helping us to make all the orders of the day. Also, our karigars at the workshop are busy making all the orders. Let's see if we can achieve the target by the end of today. Right now we are manually writing all the addresses, but I have realized since a very long time that this is not the most feasible way to do it. We just wanted to wait for the right time to get the printer, and guess what, the barcode printer is already here, and I'm just waiting for someone to help me install the plugins and do the techie bit so we can start using it. It's almost 4 today, and we have managed to pack most of the orders. We're still waiting for a few more Rakhis into these orders, and then it will go in packing. We'll see you tomorrow with more updates. Hi everyone, it's day 2 of this week, and you can clearly see my dark circles because we were awake till 2 o'clock last night and prepping for all the orders which are gonna get dispatched today. Let's begin the grind of the day. It's 10:30 right now, and I am preparing what orders will get dispatched today. So this is what our calendars look like for Rakhi, completely filled with orders, and we are super grateful for that. But it is not gonna be easy weeks for us to execute all this. So let's see what we are doing in office today. We are at the office, and it is a very slow start to the morning today, but we are trying to cope up and hopefully are gonna reach the target we have set for the day. So let's see what's in making. I think this order is complete. We are missing with one Rakhi in this one, and then that will join the club of packing, and then this is the target sitting here, and we are going to dispatch all of this by the end of the day. It's exact a month to go to Rakhi right now, but we are already stocked out with 6 new designs and 5 old designs, and we have reached the new milestone of completing 500 Rakhi orders. I mean, not individual orders, but 500 Rakhis in all the orders that we have dispatched till date. So we are really excited to see what comes next, and I'm not even sure how are we going to cope up with the exhibition, but I'm very grateful and hopeful. for the YouTube
Yes,
video.
yes, YouTube.
Hi, welcome back again. This feels like an entire year gone by, but it was just 2 days ago. I'm supremely overwhelmed. Sorry for being MIA. Uh, Sorry for being MIA from the vlog since last 2 days, but I am a very proud and emotional bua of a little cute niece, and she's at our home now and I cannot work anymore, officially on a holiday retirement. But we have exhibitions, so I mean I'm being strong coming away from her, and let's go how it goes. Let's see how it goes. We are just going right now to set up the set up for the exhibition, which is gonna start tomorrow. So stay tuned at what happens at exhibition. It's on 12th and 13th. If you are from Vadodara, please do visit us. It's at Trisha Gallery. We are at Trisha Gallery. If you are from Vadodara, you would know this place because it is very famous for exhibitions, and we are expecting a lot of people who come and visit us every year to do come and visit us this year as well, because we are gonna have so many new Rakhi designs displayed at the studio. We are in studio number 3, and right now we are here waiting for them to clean up before we set up for tomorrow. It is very chaotic right now, and I am clueless what's gonna happen because this is the first time we are exhibiting Rakhi, and I'm not sure how to display it. But we are doing our best. We're keeping it simple. So let's see what we do.